This is a quick video on how to replace battery in a clock. Every clock has a compartment where you would have to put in 1.5 volts of quartz battery. Now on this clock, we have the negative terminal and the positive terminal of where a battery will be fitted into this clock. Now here with me is a battery that I'm going to insert in this clock. It's very easy. What you will do is you first put in the positive end of the battery into the clock, and then you push in the negative side, and immediately the clock will start to operate. Now you can see the clock is moving.